Let's start with design part of this non-typical experimental project, and in this episode we will go through the main concept design, let's say main page design. Alright, so phase 1, design. So, because you know the secret of this workflow, that actually, firstly, we went to this tool to experiment with kind of shapes that we can make. You know that in general, idea is from this tool, right? So, but what is the general idea of this project, of this website, is to make a gallery of unpublished, beautiful works that we made in Obys. And I think we pretty clearly understand that it's gonna be kind of shape that we are forming from our works, and also we will make a switcher between these kind of forms, and this gallery is going to be kind of 3D gallery, so it's centered, and that's what we have in general for now, right? In terms of structure, what is going to be our structure here? So we have a, let's say, bigger website of Obys, and this website is not about Obys works and Obys work that we want to show to our potential clients. That's just about experiments, right? So we want to make this project small. At the same time, we are just experimenting with it, and that's pretty logical wish to make it small. So, in terms of structure, it's gonna be main page, let's say this space gallery page, plus pop-up of one work, and it's gonna be about page where we can write everything and say everything what we want to say about this project, and in general about practice of making side projects to probably maybe inspire our community. So because we work with pre-made, pre-ready identity, so if you know, that's actually current website of Obys. This website is about rebranding, is about new Obys things. It's also kind of a gallery with nice about page, with customly designed font here, with interesting grid, interesting combination of typography, with small, big typography, big amount of white space, this white wash effect, and everything else. So it's new Obys identity. And because of that, we have some must-haves, right? Because we work with Obys identity, we need to work with Obys logotype, we need to work with Obys style, we need to work with Obys this custom font, colors, identity elements. We have this gallery, right, which is also kind of must-have, and yeah, and because of this gallery we have already something. It's called centered composition, right? So because of course we can place it here or there, but because of shape of this gallery, and because of we will make this kind of transitions between different states, we need a safe solution. So, and right, a safe solution that we need to use for our design. So we need to make design with understanding how it's gonna work or look with these unique and beautiful shapes, right? So what we have from this shape, we have a strong vertical, strong horizontal center line, and because of that we have some, let's say, restrictions, but we have some fields where we can actually make a design. So it's hard to place something as a background because it's gonna be intersected by this element or by this element, right? So it's hard to place something here because if we will scroll, it's gonna be the way where we scroll all our works, right? And it's gonna be a bit strange, right? So we have this top and bottom space to actually put our design here. And when we started this design process, our first idea was to make it really bright, because it's experimental, right? So we want to make it bright, we want to add some strange color. Maybe it's gonna be not the main version, but as a secondary. Why not? Why not to do it, right? And maybe green, maybe red, maybe maybe yellow. So yeah, and that's how we realized actually that maybe we need to keep it white, but we also can add a bit of color as an additional mode. And our first experiments was about big typography, but it feels a bit, too much. Too much. And yeah, that's something that we really love to do with some of our projects, to introduce unexpected and beautiful colors. And if you also want to know a bit more about colors, we have season, a few hours of content, a lot of lessons about color, about theory, about how we work with colors and how we create our project using these principles. So it's really nice to watch this season. I mean, it's really easy. That's not too theoretical. It's real exercises and real experience. So without any bullshit thing. But let's come back to our project. So during this design stage, yeah, of course, we remember this center thing, but our design nature want to make something asymmetrical, so we tried different things to make it a bit more asymmetrical, a bit more different, but it works with this mode. Yes, why not? But it's so bad with sphere or cylinder mode. So then we tried to introduce some additional logotype things, again color it somehow brightly, beautifully. Right, and yeah, that was our next option. And then we realized that it feels a bit too, let's say, too empty. So too empty and too unpolished, And to fix the thing, we decided to introduce this kind of lines that help us to keep composition, let's say, together. Yeah, and here also we introduce this typography. So when you hover it, as you can see it right now, right? So when you hover it, you see the name of this project. So now composition feels and looks much more rich. In terms of typography choice, it was obvious it's gonna be Obys font, right? Obys NG. In terms of font sizes, that's also clear. I mean, it should be big enough, but not bigger than our main graphic element. And we, for this, all of this project, we use only two font styles. So one for small typography, another one for bigger one. So you will not find any other style on this website. For all navigation, for all information, we use this small one. For big statements and headings, we use this big one. Yeah, we tried different things. Some of them looks really stupid, but that's completely normal thing to do when you experiment with your main screen. That's something that we discuss a lot with the students, that you need to make as much as possible options, and then you can decide to go with the second one. But try 10, try 15 different. So we tried even these kind of things. Yeah, it looks nice, it looks more interesting and asymmetrical, but at the same time we're locking this main gallery in this space, and it feels not so cool. So our final version, you see that actually this screen is a pretty simple, nothing too complicated. We have our gallery, we have 4 states of this gallery, right? We have copyrights here, and wireframe, and just a regular normal mode here. This is name of this project, just a big nice typography, centered Obys Experiment Space. Nice little things here. It's just about that we will experiment forever. That's just the nature of design. And grid here is a pretty simple. It's just 12 column grid with 10 pixel. I'm not sure about 10. We can just check it here. Yeah, it's 10 pixel margin and 10 pixels gutter. So, and when you place all possible modes here, you actually see and feel how it works really nice together, even in wireframe mode, even when you use it like that, because right now we have a specific space, specific place where we can make this horizontal scroll. So as a result, you see that it works pretty nice. So every single element here is fixed, and when you scroll, you can only manipulate this beautiful gallery and scroll off it. Also, we made it actually after designing the main concept, after testing our main tool, but we designed a preloader that actually works like that. So you see process of preloading, and then you see this welcome sequence of animations, which looks pretty nice. So I think that's about design of the main page. And the main page here is actually just one screen, and a pretty simple screen, because main feature here is not this design. It's just nice, it's just good, it just aligned nicely by the grid and using the same things, the small details, everything like that. But the main thing here is actually this gallery.